Hi, this is Kuhle Maseko, better known as Kuhle Maseko. You may have seen me on 10 Minutes with Kuhle, State of the Nation podcast, as well as you may know a bit about me that I am a politician in my previous life, and I've decided to stand up for the truth. Hence, I've come into this podcasting space and I've joined Truth Report. The vision behind Truth Report was a media house that is uncensored, unbiased, speaks the truth, is not woke, gets rid of that left-wing garbage, and speaks right to the conservative Judeo-Christian heart that we South Africans truly stand for. Truth has a new home, and it's Truth Report. I'm glad to be within the Truth Report family.